It concerning the fight against Galamsey, Honorable Muntaka Mohammed, the Interior Minister for the 4th Republic of Ghana under the 9th Parliament, Ebusabe Kansimbi afa China for Mute Yamamu Eya Galamsey or so mumu as Interior Minister. Jimo Dibedi Womo. Na Asmo Kayano, Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa Bones, then a back clash a hard one. I'm a free fan, so I'll be exposing NDC and Ibrahim Mahama government. I just say, and someone a chogum from a moody, and Yasimukuma, and there was some coso. Hi, Penyah Block Media. Let's watch any demo. Or better, I keep video now down my voice subscribe button, snap click notification, and connect latest updates. Now, better I get my ever comment, especially as Obaswa. No, she remember as any biashon. Let's watch a whole video now. What I Eya like mommy, Eya like a boapama video that me a quetry. It has over the side, amame. It concerning the fight against Galamsey. Only say Galamsey, ya dear Ghana. It has become an albatross around our neck. In fact, Abe Ghana, our chronic disease. And then the Galamsey started. Sometimes it is funny to me if I see people saying, say, Ekufuado is the father of Galamsey, and I am a I can even show you video. Way back of 12 years ago, the Vanguard, US, and the Guardian, USA, Omukra made a post talking about Galamsey issue in Ghana here 12 years ago. 12 years ago, who was in office? Say 12 years, April 2013, who was in office? It was John Mahama. That graphic require trouble fresh. It no Mahama Ajia Kunyano. Efra Tamis in same. Eti Galamsey enye one party. Abia Ghana nyina problem. O say nyina no. Ye come together near fighting. By an amount for air shifty blame. And this person mo chira mu say Galamsey MPP ni to Galamsey mu mo nka ho bi. But say ye check yes no so a emfa omu nyina na mutu Galamsey. By an amount mu san omuti e blame Galamsey on MPP government. Now concerning the fight against Galamsey, Honorable Muntaka Mohammed, ebe kanti me awotire mu say, ono na memuo mu as interior minister there. So oni Galamsey na ochewa, oye foreigner, obetu Galamsey as aso na ochewa, ofa nkotu, obebo edu akoba kukuru.
And the Chinese and some other citizens, Filipinos that we found, the kind of activities that we do were purely defrauding citizens around the world using a system that they set up that was so sophisticated. Many of them are into our forests. Many of them are cutting our trees unlawfully. Others are involved in Galamsey activities and many other crimes. We have resolved as a new policy that for two things, you in our forest, whether doing Galamsey or cutting our trees unlawfully, getting yourself into fraud activities, that's whether using computer or other fraud activities. For these two crimes, when we arrest any foreigner, we are not interested in prosecuting them. Our first option is to take them back to their country. And this is something that we are very serious about. And you are the first point of call when sometimes you make arrests or when people are arrested, they are handed over to you. Please, if it involves these two things, the prosecutors within the police have officially written to the Attorney General, we are not interested in prosecuting people who are destroying our environment and who are defrauding people across the globe. What we want is that we want to take them back into their country and then we'll put them on the stop list, never to be able to come back to our country.
But oya Ghana na to Galamsey dia ye bechiwa tum ye chiwa do be go jail. But oya foreigner, we are not interested. Oya foreigner chiwa, we are not interested in prosecuting you. Ye be return no. Why say ye be return no. I'm okro, but oya Ghana na okro ma dia. We will put you behind bars. Now some how kan we no. Ana Ghana for ni bi na kra say na Muntaka sama okan dia ye ntiase you. Bro ni no we okro mu say yensuo say as omu na dey excavated scrab an. Ochi ono na oh bono onko ni krom onko fa no huni o mpemusu onko ni krom ba ye Ghana for the o de be ko je de ase ne say asma kan we no ana Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bon so de bon tiase do say NDC government yes scam
Proverbs ne kanya
More fire.
Kofi yanku yanim and some no de ne de shase Muntaka se dai Dani bo Muntaka video no na ye hwade na yɛte wɔ man mu general na yɛse yɛakyekyere mmara wokɔ gyinawa asa wokɔ mmara mu a cardinal points in law cardinal principles of law are the likes of A.V. Dicey our mu believe in a democracy and a constitutional rule wɔn say rule of law that is the law should be supreme
so
and yɛfrɛ bi law denning was no matter how tall you are one must not see beyond the law another cardinal principle of law is equality before the law that means who apply law the universality and the equality of the application of law is what makes it law no discrimination you better constitution ni akɔhwɛ constitution ne kasa discrimination on race, on place, on gender, on anything. That is Article 17. You be free war. Ni abɛhwɛ mmerɛ govern yɛ. Si yɛ kasa criminal law krana. And Article 19 is it criminal law of America, criminal law of Nigeria, or criminal law of Ghana. See a free one the jurisdiction of the court. See a mark court to jurisdiction. Section 58 of a year Act 459, the Courts Act of Ghana. Yabeshe no so. Edia neka. Ni ababeshe Article 88. A year the prosecutorial powers. One year the man. Article 58. One the kura a year the implementation of a year the law's powers. ɛno so yɛbɛhwɛ na afei yɛwia ne abɛbusa sɛ muntaka se sɛ woyɛ China ni woyɛ Vietnam ni woyɛ this muntaka I'm disappointed but yɛntie muntaka ne amra yɛntie
and the Chinese and some other citizens Filipinos that we found the kind of activities that we did were purely defrauding citizens around the world using a system that is set up that was so sophisticated. Many of them are into our forests. Many of them are cutting our trees unlawfully. Others are involved in Galamsey activities and many other crimes. We have resolved as a new policy that for 2 days, you in our forests, whether doing Galamsey or cutting our trees unlawfully, getting yourself into fraud activities, that's whether using computer or other fraud activities. For these 2 crimes, when we arrest any foreigner, we are not interested in prosecuting them. Our first option is to take them back to their country. And this is something that we are very serious about. And you are the first.
And this is coming from a Minister of Interior. Ovi? Minister of Interior. I want to share the security of our nation. And was say, Ube try Nuya, Ube say Yensu, Nasi Yacho as Omaya, the new policy direction, foreign policy direction of and Yaka foreign policy, or my biano, say President Biba Bediswa, or what direction do a minor in his relation between the state now governor and a other state. And the John Dramani Mahama speaking through an interior minister or say the new policy direction for our nation when it comes to citizens or more non-citizens on Baba say Yensu and it's a Yachiwa, one year why be a fraud and I will say Yensu to try timber, you're interested. And once you have to have a trampoline and umti, Baba yo. We are memu can say we Kofina fe yan kwani yan constitution Moba kai say osafmafo ebe kan asem bi say Aisha 1 ye deport no just Aisha 1 o one can say all Chinese one can say all foreigners a ye bechi wo mo say yensu no krowe mu hunhunu de course ana kufado aton yaman na China na kufado aton yaman na China Aisha 1 and ye deport no ya Angelino and Aisha 1 call ye and wo fa chiri no sabe bremu and ye na ko wie say obi afedi e che no ejeli no we me no kasai from whispers from the corridors of power Aisha 1 ye be jana nche take it for me and until na muntaka set sa tone we see ye interested in prosecuting a foreign nationals a mbe say yensu na me catch them say memu we no radem fam bon nche me we was up man for kokan ye yes ye ntri bida Aden Aisha 1 ya che no ne prosecute no ne deport no we de nyo ashawan ko yesi ye China ni bia ye Turkey ni bia if you like prosecute now you kasa section 56 of the Courts Act obi but before that you be article 19 article 19 say si you kasa a criminal law a criminal law of Ghana. It's so free baby na ura man you must abide by the laws of our nation, whether you're American or you're Chinese or you're Russian, any person I will be right your mind mubiano because you want mre bo mine home mine you must abide by it. In any event, na se wo commit crime against the state yama court ne power say any crime that happens within the territorial jurisdiction of our nation, Kofiaka territorial jurisdiction, it means for my Ghana no 200 and something thousand square kilometers no. So wo commit any crime the court under section 58 of the Courts Act will have jurisdiction over you regardless when you commit a crime. Now this is a case where ucha ye issue o say your forest o say o be your fraud e ye emra wo Ghana ha say o say your issue o ye fraud it is against the laws of our nation. Afi muntaka say wo de wo ye American wo ye China ni ura o man mu. And let's not forget, Yanko Article 88 in Article 88. But before that, Yanko Article 58 too. Now Yanko say ye yamre we are. Enipa ye di tumi ahyenensa. So obetumi implement ya enforce mrano. E President John Dramani Mahama and Article 58 too. So the enforcement of the laws that is passed by Parliament, it is vested in a year John Dramani Mahama. Who are no afato so. Na Yanko read it. Moba hana moba hwehwo no a mofa constitution ni ade antoto mo ho waje be kan ya no akọ ebi kwa na me kan nya no kore na momoko wan mako ready Kofi or say the executive authority of Ghana shall extend to the execution and there be 58-2 ebra or say for 58-2 ebra we another one Kofi eti yura John Dramani Mahama nkwana and Article 58 or what to me see dem mre be adwuma na yefa nya adwuma even when we've passed it if so no na police shanase one na attorney general shanase attorney general and Article 88 is under the executive eti na John Mahama na appoint ya yi ne eti John Mahama ni suade hunu ana yi ne de be adwuma John Mahama ni suade hunu ana mutaka de be adwuma na yanko Article 88 ni read the prosecutorial powers of the attorney general it is a memory when I commit any crime. Article 88 say the attorney general shall be responsible for the initiation and conduct of all prosecution of criminal offenses. There was civil offenses and there were criminal offenses. Civil ni between menu mienu see any business won't talk bi sa sibi won't talk any ade near the court and then you Okatakyie versus Kofi and Okatakyie versus general and on attorney general mem dem mom say wo repeal obi wo wia obi wo ye fraud wo say ye issue na say ye criminal offense dia attorney general no and yama ne mra etina be say the republic versus it will repeal obi kura no a enye general versus o the republic it is deemed that you've committed a crime against the state. The attorney general who to me so prosecuting. And the Yura John Dramani Mahama say through the interior minister, attorney general nye interested. Says obi be say issue, obi be say timber, obi be your frauder. John Mahama say can't show so munye interested. So me prosecuting no. Obi, yanko Article 17.3. Na yanko hwɛ the emra ne kafa eye discrimination against. You see, emra is supposed to apply fairly, equally. Now Constitution in him see ebenye obi tse John Mahama. Wono de obeka say woni China for ekọ nakranda. Say na anu ya na Ibrahim Mahama. Omukọ form Ghana China mining, ba mining munyi fru Ghana China Galamsey Association. Maka kire mo. Omo share gold board na say na message John Mahama wo agenda no ba be ye. Obi John Dramani Mahama say enam so woni China for wasoma ni nua Ibrahim Mahama. Ene papa ye also wo fight Galamsey. Emmanuel Makofibua or fight Galamsey so akwa form a Ghana China Mining Association or China. Obi some no ka say enam so ne China for konakra nenti when him say there Galamsey activities China for na bechi wo mo etian wonye interested na constitution ni nim see ebenye obi tse John Mahama wono do obeka say o emra no Endi Ghana for. Ye che Ghana for Galamsey. Ye for mon komrenim. Ye che Ghana for so mu twanua ye for mon komrenim. Ye che Ghana for so mu ye fraud ye for mon komrenim. Nemo ye che China for dia mon for mon si o mo yi munko. Eti constitution ni 2 year for against discrimination. Yanko article 17.1. Article 17.1 asa no ba 3 no.
17.1.
Yes. Yanko article 17.1. Now you article 17.1 before you come to 3. Now Article 17.1 say, no person shall be discriminated against. Or say all persons shall be equal before the law. It's over here, I'm a catcher. The cardinal principle of law is equality. The application of the law must be fair. And Article 17.1 say, all persons, whether China new, whether America, whether Burkina Faso, whether Ethiopia, they shall be equal before the law. Already we are. Article 17.2. A person shall not be discriminated against on grounds of gender, race, color, ethnic origin, religion, creed, or social. So China ni Ghana ni koye the same crime one. And then your mama say, "Samumi no committed the same crime one. Oh Ghana ni there. Me do be jina me nim. Ni a punish o. Edwa ko jail. Nemo mo ye China ni ne ho ofechen o. Or China ni me ko jiska fro mo ho. It is a mo committed the same crime one. Ono de ye ni be si plem so onko no ne yere ene ne ma enkonkoda. No mo konom, no mo ko didi. Na we wa dwene ye adwuma. We will be kasa asem. Obi, the main focus of a state bia tenu or mind bia ade hia ne pa ne se obebo ne manfo ne ho ban asena foforo edika ba ye mara we ya ade anka ye we interest pa ene se wo ba ye kura in the sense wo ye China ni na ba ye boni a se ba ye ne be deter others from coming no ke be punish China for a chain eduko America na wo ye non-citizen na akoye boni a America for wo punish you than so almost citizens be the same one. Ya the end you see the trust. Your mama da room. We na mo say memu we adewe. Your mama say so only will be committed the same crime. No e China ni a obese ye yensuo. Ansuo no onum bi. Ne yire num bi. Ne ba num bi. Ne mom de ye be ya ne say ye che na yase away ko China. E no yire nkodidi na monom na monna Nemo mo Ghana ni ne bra. Ya do koji. Na bo emu modam am be yesa ne mawe. When you amemu. Obi. Amemu ni ni. When him say in protection of the people's right to crown. Ya mra say ba mine no. E ba ye petroleum ni ade. Ya wo a local participation act. No untimi fa certain places be said world do the opera do you say untimi fa ma China for. It's China for engaging in small scale mining per the Minerals and Mining Act. It is illegal. They have no business coming in the arena of even small scale mining. And only be to me sir. Say na woman China for corner krana. Almost sponsor campaign no. Now feel we are better to me for. Obi, your mama memu no de aba no. Ye kan hia memu no. Ade o se ade. O de asempa na ba o. 24-hour economy. We ni amemu. E ka kire mu. Asa. Ene na wu. Edi ene John Dramani mama si yan kasa nkire Ghana for say. So we ye Ghana ni. Ukotwa ye nua. Ukose ye nsu. You do be jail. In the same vein, China ni, Turkey ni, America, we go try nuya, we go say you issue. On fanning jail. And I don't know why the parliamentarians trauma answer this Cote d'Ivoire can. But so you're foreign national bia. We are foreign national bia. A year can say Mutakas Mokai. It's whether Cote d'Ivoire. Yes. No wonder so mogram. Na medical catcham said your mama ne Burkina for ne Sahel for no. One more dear groby. Some crofo na tetia border so. I will move to Galamsey. So when you na agree so beche Burkina for. E do ma komere nim. E dey no nya free ho. Kofi. Any money be an audio. Again, when you're free, when him so many go on much, when you're interested, what you working for, when you're interested. Wow. We've only said do baby kura. You will be a friend of Prisons Exchange Act. It is a prisoner be baby. That's also Susan Bremukurano. As he didn't call a Konikruma. When you see a Roko, I will call as I was the jail sentence war. And yes, you are free. Because one person would deter others and medical catcher. One of the principles of some will punish you be. And any panel jail no. But it is to deter others in the society from committing the same crime. It is a China need him so bad. Nasi the Ebaya, and see a China Ebe deportina. Why the hell do you think a China for bring to Migamba? After a yanchino, Yanaway, you see about the since you poros. Obet me for Cote d'Ivoire room, obet me for Togo room. It is a deporting who said that I shall want a deporting or buy. They will be coming. And where are move? Your mama, where are move? The catching themselves, getting a woo. Your mama initiate the bois. Can say no debre a memo da danwa no can say it in nemutaka see and can chero say Yera John Romani Mahama say the policy no is discriminatory, it is unconstitutional, and I don't know why we are sitting down for him to say this is my policy or policy by and I got some brand new. So this policy it is anti-Ghanaian policy. It's in Ghana for policy Ghana for Galamsey do number 2. Name China for Galamsey for Muntu. A anti-Ghanaian policy. Mumfa Ibrahim Mahama wone Kofi Amabua akọ China. Na wo makoye yi say Messi Kofi o mo share gold board na simitu mu. Galamsey no o mbetu papa. Na me ka sam so akere 28th, 29th, 30th. Flagstaff was we ne jo mama ne beta ho. Galamsey wanya na gwene. Eti no mpeso obese China for yi. Eti we Ibrahim Mahama wakọ China. Wani Kofi Amabua ene ayi Pablo. Ana omu gina ho no omu so omu form Ghana anti-China de ben de ben. Omu ye nkroma na China. Baby omu ye nbia say how say ho ni nyina. Omu ye no ha Kempiski. Ana omu koye we. Esi omu ni Galamsey for na camp. Obi and then meeting because what Tank Palace. TNA. Meeting because what Tank Palace. Galamsey who meeting the course. Now every Wednesday echo. There is some Chinese in Libya. Ye chain a year our forest be munanu ya. Omuya sombe deported. Even the deportation of Yatsu Omono. When it says Chinese anyway, order from above from a presidency. I can see any in from Musafa and Brevi. I'm telling you. Me say John Dramani Mahama na bemu even the deportation omo kan wasem and the meeting because what Tank Palace China ni bi Wednesday in the pictures ni bibia beguo me say ne yere ye che no ewo eye forest bi mu na anu ya a wo kan omo ye deport omo order from presidency ka so omo nyinim film ampa omo yini film we ni amemu na John Mahama na Ibrahim we kuken amemu Galamsey amemu container amemu dollars amemu fake dollars amemu ana John Mahama de mama the kind monti o obi o my gene o me say mine papa na MPP ho aye hininti o ka wi ani ponente na me kra ya me ya the kind of information I know obi the kind of information I know about John Mahama member do omo plan me so omo share gold board as dey na me kan ya me no man so na the information be me so dey China ni Wednesday and na se me boa wo mo ya wo se meeting ko so Tank Palace Galamsey ekwan omo fa so omo betu ni nyina excavators almost woman ayira ni ade nyina baby eguo Wednesday ye be kire excavators 40 no ye be kire so stop Galamsey demonstration no 28th 29th 30th afa ye wian so a obi womo ye so mbeko cop 600 ne cop 1 akode womo ko say yesika wombe duro na me de gallon esome na me de hia omo ba bi omo ko ka me papa ko si ensure wom ye be ma wiase ahunu we will write letters to international communities so wo ba no obeje bosiama mo fama no ono na mo mutu Galamsey your mama me say enye onwanwa so oba ya ambassadors won appointed de hia ne pa you appointed ambassadors to Burkina Sahel regions no e de ne fa ho free mu ewura o man mo de mo adwene na wuwo nti ka mo nte now culture can say me or say the more victimization is upon the back of the people the more foolish they become.
Okay, let's say this government scam now we enya memu a ebetimi aboa o my konkranga is a free fa and the NDC government asema munta ka kind onomu da besie nipa hardware ensem de bebre na no abroso wakotie kirawadwe mama e wo comment section esma free fa kan what is your view and what is your take on that then some to munta ka kan ye no wadwe no ntia sim say na otu hu no kirawadwe mama e wo comment section Penyah Blog Media.